Remko have been manufacturing air conditioning, heaters and new energy products since 1970. They grew from a small business to an international manufacturer, placing Remko amongst the leaders of efficient energy products and designs in Europe. Remko's drive for better energy solutions and more economical designs are still very much the core driving force of the business. Their products have gained credibility and a reputation for high quality and dependability, ensuring a long-lasting unit and value for money. Aircon 24/7 provide a selection of Remko air conditioning units for both domestic and commercial properties. Their compact and stylish designs and neutral muted white and silver finishes which will complement any interior. Their units supply a range of features including targeted cooling, adjustable air outlet and dehumidifier facilities for a healthier environment. Please browse our selection of Remko products on our site, or alternatively, please contact our experienced customer service team for more advice and confidence in choosing your Remko purchase.